There, fourth graders, welcome to another video lesson. Today I'm going to attempt to draw Chip from Chip and Dale. He is a little chipmunk, and I started with a head shape. So I started with a bump, then I threw two ears on top, and then I made a cheek, and then a little bottom of his mouth. So this is the start. See that it's kind of large, and here's the middle of my paper, working above that. Next, I'm going to make his nose and mouth. Right here, the mouth, there's his nose, mouth, and two little teeth that are spread out. Next, his eyes. There's a shape around both eyes, so it's just like a bump around both where the eyes are going to go. I'm going to make ovals inside here for his eyes. Smearing. Great. There's his two eyes. And then I need to make his, I'm going to make a shoulder here. Line for his chest. That's his belly here. There's his hand on his other leg. There's his tail and his back leg. And this curls in, and I make a belly. It makes a belly. Here's a little another foot. There's another foot. And then I need to make one more arm right here. There's his little hand, so he's like thinking. Alright, next, his nose is red. So one of them has a red nose, and one has, and I feel like he was the goofy. And the other one, his skin, his fur, I should say, is light brown, except for there's some parts on his face and it's right down his belly. It's a light color. Okay. And then up here on his head is brown too, on the top part of his head. Okay, then it's kind of a peach tan color on the tip of his tail, on his belly. Probably have to mix some yellow and orange or something. His cheeks and around his eyes, shape around his eyes is this tan peach. Ooh. And then right around his nose is a yellowish color. Interesting enough. There's a lot more coloring going on here than I expected. His tongue is pink, inside of his mouth is black. A little bit of yellow right here, but not real dark, real light. Oops, inside of his ears is a tan apricot peachy color. I forgot. I'm going over top my light brown a little bit with peach too, because there's some little white spots. It doesn't look like it's colored in very well. Okay, and then what should I do here? I'm going to color grass, I guess, on the ground. I'm going to make a horizon line. That's where the ground meets the sky, right? There's some green. I do remember watching some good old Chip and Dale's cartoons. Remember one, there was a giant machine that was kind of like alive, an animal or something. Red, what would be a background color? Red or orange? I'm going to use red. I'm just going to color gradation. I'm going to play off of his nose with the red. The repetition. Try to color hard and then color lighter. I'd actually venture to say, I wonder if some of you have never even heard of Chip and Dale cartoons. You'd be right in there with like Disney, Donald Duck would be a character sometimes, and these guys would be, these little chipmunks would be bothering him in his yard or something. And these guys play little jokes. And they were short. A lot of those cartoons weren't very long. It was just short and quick and to the point, and that's the way it was. And it was also not very easy to watch cartoons. We didn't have TV that had cartoons on all the time. You could only watch cartoons on Saturday morning. It was the best time. That's about it. Otherwise, there's no cartoons to watch. Now I get to outline him with black. There he is. Here's my guy. Good luck.